Okay, let's do this. I might even see. I'm gonna see if somebody's around for a call, because this would be a good call thing to have someone for. Is Voigadogo around? I'm just gonna call him. Because I don't care.
Hello?
Yeah, no, I have no idea what this is. Hello!
Cat game?
Cat game!
Alright, yay.
I can't remember what this game is even called.
Okay.
But...
Shouldn't...
Cat game!
Is Catsworth here? I don't think he's here.
I don't
Probably
know.
not.
I think I tried playing once and had no idea what the fuck. Shockingly, I know. So it's all in Japanese, and I don't read Japanese, which is a challenge, but it's one I'm, you know, willing to take.
You even know what the icons
Also,
mean.
I don't think this is like ever been translated. So who knows, maybe I'll know someone who can translate this. Also, I should tweet out that we were doing
this.
Cat game.
Cat game. Watch this. Watch
Cat
this. Is something
game.
completely different. It's like Breakout.
I remember trying this, and yeah, no, I don't know. Cat game.
That looks very unnatural somehow. It's an ultra realistic looking cat.
Yeah.
Including the Z's.
Are you the cat from the magazine? I'm just gonna... Yeah, no, this game is legendary because in its first week of release, it sold approximately 100 copies. So this game didn't do well!
I don't know why, the graphics are amazing.
Oh my god, this game is great on the whole. Yeah, it's unfortunate. I don't like playing games I can't, you know, read, but I feel like I can make an exception.
Oh my god, my
This
nap time.
once.
You guys are not supposed to come into my office during nap time. Come on.
Oh my god, I can't edit the paper like this!
Cats cannot use keyboards. Why do I have this?
Ah, you are incredibly handsome. You, however, out of my office, you hideous man.
What do you mean the catnip shipment got held up?
In case you're worried, all the sound effects you're missing are just during the, like, text, and then occasional meows. And dings when I press A.
A talking cat?
Ah. Wait, I think I'm joking, but it actually is the company president. That actually is the game, apparently. Oh my god.
Cat is president.
This is amazing! Why did this do poorly?
Yeah! Cat president!
Oh my god. Can we just hang out here?
Can you gif that right there?
Yeah, please gif that. Tweet that at me, and then I'm going to tweet that out so people realize what is fucking happening right
I don't know.
here,
I don't
right
know if
now.
we're ever gonna get to the bottom of what's actually happening.
Nope, we never will. We are never going to know what is happening. Holy shit. I could, you know what, let me bust out my own, GIF maker. This is gonna take a minute. So, you know, if I ever put this on YouTube, just appreciate it. You know, take it in. Really take this in, YouTube.
What is this game
You're
called?
welcome. Sukeban Shensho Ri? Something like that?
Oh yeah, sure, I'll just type that right in Google.
Japan? Japan, Japan, Japan. Japan. My Japanese girlfriend. Yeah, it's called Delinquent Cat CEO. Actually, that might actually be the real name. That might not be.
Okay, I'll
You never fucking know with this chat, man. You never know with these fucking yucksters.
delinquent.
Okay.
No, that did not turn up anything.
You know, I'm gonna be honest. I literally have no idea how I found this, how it came into my possession. But it just kind of appeared one day.
Is an action video game developed by Joru Down for the Wii console. Several minigames where the player takes control of a cat, or in other minigames, humans.
Oh, did I get beaten to... No, okay, gift time. Here we go. Will it accept it? It is 2.5 megabytes. I can't remember if Twitter still has a DOM limit. One way to find out. Let me just tweet that out with just the word "what" and see if it accepts it, and then we will continue on. Cat Planet.
Cat Planet.
Alright, yeah, it took. Okay, good. What is happening?
So, what are we what kind of company is this?
Are we Cat Fancy? Cat Fancy went under. That's a bad sign. I hope we're not fucking Cat Fancy.
Cat stock is down.
I remember
10%.
I remember the cat like playing the piano or something. I don't know. What? Oh, one of these.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and make the closest equivalent I can to a Pac-Man. That'll do nicely. Pac-Man.
What?
What?
I'm not seeing.
Our name is Pac-Man.
Oh, now I see it. Yes. That's.
So whenever you see the Pac-Man, you know the cat is talking to us.
Yeah, I'm still not trying to decipher.
Rena is a cat who is Rena is a cat who's the mascot of a blog named Neko Punch, whatever, and the CEO of a fictional company named Cat Queen Inc. It is the player's objective to appease Rena in order into getting accepted to working for the cat. So we're literally trying to get a job working for
a cat.
A cat. And yeah, for Cat Punch blog. Cat blog. Trying to work on cat blog. Alone in the world with a little cat blog.
These people do look like they're trying to work for a blog.
Yeah, I mean, I guess they
Yeah,
want
they
that.
did. I knew there was some kind of some kind of pattern going on here.
How did this game only sell 100 copies? This is wonderful. How did I get a hold of this?
Well, the Japanese do love games
I'm like thinking
that are
back.
75% dialogue, so. I really want to know what they'll say.
Hang on that for a minute. I know. I want to translate this game so bad.
We need Oreo Ronin.
Yeah, Orin Ronin, fuck Dangan Roompa. Check this shit out. it's a cat, yo.
We need hard translations for this.
Alright, okay, I think I don't... Yeah, I don't think I need a nunchuck for this. So, do you want to... Piano, cube, or cat? Also, I'm going to...
Piano.
I'm gonna save my game. One sec. Yeah, let's piano. Alright, are you getting all this? Oh no, I do need a nunchuck, okay. Or are these just different ways to play? Oh no, okay, so when I see that, I have to wag the chuck, which is good, because that always works. Okay, so notes are wag that, and that's wag a chuckle. Alright, now I gotta fill up my gauge. Gotta max out my gauge and please the cat by playing chopsticks or some shit. Oh my god, this is gonna be so hard without sound. Why did I do this? Okay, just gonna have to do it on visual cues, which is nonsense.
Cat, no, you're fucking everything up. Stop. What are you doing?
Ow.
Did you hurt yourself?
No. Maybe.
I can't. I'm not hearing any of this, so...
I know, I'm hearing it all, like, half a second late. Like, I should probably just take off my damn headphones. Oh.
Cat, alright, look.
And you know, the worst part is, I know this wouldn't even work that well if I took my headphones off because, I guarantee there's no fucking lag calibration on this piece of shit. So my HD TV would totally ruin it. Oh, there's no downside to just shaking both at every time. Good.
Well, sometimes you have to shake both.
Yeah. Alright, I don't know if we raised it enough to please Catmaster. Good!
Just wailing on that thing. Oh god, it's got...
Unacceptable!
It's fucking DDR scoring, that's great. You didn't single-digit grade it, so I'm afraid you're gonna have to do it again. This is actually Catsworth at work.
Alright, Cat is smiling at us.
That was a mighty nice piano playing! I'm Catsworth.
Alright, shall we solve... You know what, let's do Cat Jumper first.
Cat Jumper. Is this the game where you have to knock stuff off shelves and be an annoying cat?
No, we have to dodge. We have to dodge this cat's hot moves. What? Oh my god. Visual instructions only work if they make any sense. What? What does this screen mean? What does this mean?
What is the cat wearing?
What? What?
What is it wearing? I can't... Does it have a headband on?
And like, this is just gently waggle. This is... I get this one. And I really wish I could have him lean and then snap. I wish I could make my character Soulja Boy. Alright, here do we go. Okay, oh, okay, the controls are as responsive as you'd imagine. Oh, okay, I think I get it.
Oh, the cat.
What? I'm getting fucking on, Jerry.
So, this is just a cat. Just fucking
Oh, I'm getting so owned.
Calvin and Hobbesing you to death. Just tackling you.
Oh, there, I got one. Yes.
What are you supposed to do, Hug?
Fucking nailed it. 10 out of 10. I think I'm supposed to catch the cat sometimes. Oh! Not that time, though. Way to go, Blanco Nino. Your ass got sacked.
You got dunked on. You got cat dunked.
Oh no, the cat is upset that I have been dunked on so hard. Okay, we need to try that again.
God, you have to be more aware when I charge at you from a random point in the office at any given time.
Actually, that's kind of amazing. I really do hope that is the case, that the cat's just like, why are you ready to get dunked on? Like, this cat's just a really funny but really asshole boss. I think what it is... Okay, so I think it's I have to not dodge it if there's hearts, and otherwise... Dodge! What? God! Cat's a fucking master!
I feel like people only get work done in this office when the cat is sleeping, so that's only 17 hours a day.
God, yeah, and the cat just like, oh, Jesus! The cat just no-scoped me. Okay, I'm ready. What is this move? Whoa! That's some fucking lightning bullshit attack. Alright. Yes, yes. Oh my god! It's hard to tell. What's happening? Whoa! I keep getting fucking owned by this stupid shit cat. Whoa! Not this time, motherfucker!
It's kind of hard to tell where he's gonna end up.
It's really hard! Okay, I think I did better. Yes! Cat approves!
Significantly less this time.
Third bonus! Less dunked. Oh man, I got a silver! I got a silver
nice
on dunk. Alright. Maximum dunk. Oh god, this is one has words.
Oh,
oh
no, it's the Batsu game. You have to roll the dice and then you get punished. Only all the colors mean punishment.
Oh Jesus, this is bad. I have to like...
Somebody translate really quickly.
Chorpo! Where's Chorpo?
Cat dreidel. All of the things mean I get the every...
Pink. Nailed it.
You have to psychically guess what... Wait. Oh, it's a quiz. Okay.
Wait,
yeah, there are multiple choice questions. Which is...
Oh wait, is it what side? No, I don't think that's it.
Cat is always right.
What side is the... Is it what side it slapped? I don't get that one at all. Oh.
Is that everything in this game? Is that Cat CEO?
That might be the entirety of this game at this point.
Unless there's a way to advance the story by doing well in mini games. I hope.
Oh man, can I not get more? Oh yeah, I think we have to do certain. We have to get to a certain. We have to get a certain score on each.
I'm just assuming that that this is the whole game.
I'm taking that. Or one sec, actually. Oh, I can't stop in the middle of this, of course. I was gonna take headphones off and turn my actual sound up a little so I could get closer.
I gotta focus on playing piano with this cat. Oh, there are more minigames?
I imagine, but we have to get past Q.
Yeah, that's why I never got too far in Rhythm Heaven. Also because I was emulating it, and playing with a mouse is actually very difficult.
Yeah, no, I have Rhythm Heaven. I just can't do it with live setup.
I mean,
unless I somehow manage to convince my TV
the
to...
PS1 is the one that I play.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can do it if I can convince my TV to put out headphone signal, but I mean, that's a long shot. I think all it has is an optical outlet.
The guy's just, what the fuck are you doing? Oh no, those misses. Each miss is like is like worth 8 grades, so, you know, that's huge every time you miss that.
I know, and it's really hard when you don't have sound to go off of.
Is that right? I don't
sound
actually. I
game.
forgot how DDR scoring works. I used to.
Is that enough?
Everyone's like, I don't know if that's the sound we're really going for.
Good. Yes, good. The cat appreciates our moves. No, you don't understand. It's not preparing us for the job.
This
We're just
is
trying
the
to
job.
fucking sneak our way in. Yeah, the job is probably just to amuse this stupid cat.
The job is owning a cat. Yeah, I don't know how you passed that hurdle.
How are we gonna get out of Cube? How we beat Cube?
25% chance, just guessing randomly. Yeah, I don't see us getting through this. You can try.
Got it. Do I lose points for getting it wrong? No, but I lose time.
So, we just need to get it 4 times.
I think. There are no safe states, chat. This is a real town.
C is almost always the answer every time.
But I can't tell which symbol the cat hits. Especially now that it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fuck the chat. You don't know shit. It's a quiz game. Ah!
Getting 4 right answers.
Oh!
Tougher than I thought.
Oh, I had 1 left.
Oh, and they gave you one with no time left, of course.
Yeah, let's try just picking C very quickly.
Look, we can't read, cat, alright?
Cat, look, I'm literally illiterate.
Yeah.
Could you just not? God, I hate Cat Cube. Come on, it's gotta be 1 out of 4, Cat Cube. Yes. 1 on Cat Cube.
This isn't what I expected out of Office Cat Politics Simulator.
Come on. Hey, I made that GIF, thank you very much. That one was mine.
Wow, nothing is C.
Yeah, what the hell? Got it.
The cat started speaking to
Okay,
me. Unfortunately, it spoke to me in Japanese, so I had no idea what it was to say.
Yes! It paid off. What did I tell you? Value.
Yeah, sure. That's what's happening.
Value. Cat value. Cat value. Yeah, that was my speedrun strat of
Cat value
game.
was our stock skyrocketing because people can't get over the fact that a cat is the CEO.
Cat value.
Like,
Alright, let's learn all about cat
the great
value.
thing about having a cat for a boss is you don't need to publicize anything. You just need to... People just need to know that a cat runs the company and the stock will skyrocket. Oh!
Yeah, no shit. Just make a company that the cat
Just-
runs.
The second cat is this cat villain?
Hello, Frank. Oh,
Or is this like the evil human resource director?
HR
Yeah.
cat?
Virgil cat.
How did this game only sell 100 copies? It's wonderful.
Oh god, the bosses are fighting again! You have to like dangle something over their heads so they stop.
Yeah, just release this shit on, like, Imager or something. They'll love
Damn it, I understand my cat more than I do the cats in this game.
Maybe because these cats are, like, not physically, but they are mentally anthropomorphized, if that's a thing. Also, holy shit, this cat owns everybody! This cat has fucking amazing anime moves. That cat just... Is this the cat that shows up in Metal Gear Rising? Is that this cat? Cat Datsu.
I don't even know.
Oh, I have to put this up on YouTube now just so I can make 5 million goddamn gifs of it. Alright, I'd save my game again, sure.
Do we unlock new things?
I
want to
think
know what the
so.
hell is happening in this game and if it's actually funny or not.
It has to be. I mean, it's really funny if you don't know it. It's probably funnier like this, honestly.
Yeah, but...
Where it's just like, these three guys discussing just like, what do we do with this cat? What do we do with this fucking cat? I'm terrified of this fucking
You saw
cat.
the Craigslist
Help.
too, right? I mean, I didn't really think it was real. I thought it was a joke, but apparently.
Yo, I didn't mean to buy a possessed business cat, okay? It just kind of showed up. And now it's doing this again. Oh no, she wakens. Yeah, this is Shenmue 3. Like, props to whoever modeled the cat for the Wii, though. That's a really good cat for, you know, 480p. Oh man, that is perfect, by the way.
Have you seen that video?
Oh god! Yeah.
It's pretty good.
More Cat Datsu! Holy shit. This cat takes shit from nobody.
Yeah, this is literally the reality version of Business Cat. I mean, we run a blog, we're all hipster employees, so...
We run a blog that's run by cats!
Well, we have to compete with the pigeon blog that's going on.
Oh boy. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna save again for safety's sake. Yo, do we drive a car? Do we look at Sparkle Cube? Or do we do some mad stretches? Let's check out the car. Cat driving.
Hang on. I need to find a certain GIF.
Okay, wait. This looks like this is going to own. Yup. This is great. Holy shit, this one is so complicated. And there's boost? Oh my god, this one's gonna be so fucking hard.
I could not find a GIF.
Oh, and I have to aim the cat with
What is the vacuum? What is the vacuum
lightning
cleaner?
power hose.
What is the vacuum cleaner?
I don't know. Oh, that doesn't work at all. Oh my.
The fucking thing on 2 wheels. A normal day at work.
There we go. Fucking cat! Oh, motherfucking cat! Yeah! Yeah! I'm drifting! Oh, yeah, motherfucker! Get on my level! This game is amazing.
What the fuck is that?
Holy shit, I love this game so much.
Oh god, I thought we were gonna just go right
my
into that
God.
building. Jesus Christ.
No. Yes. This. Oh my god. How did I do on cars? I got a pass on cars. Hell yeah, I did. So do you want to look at Sparkle Bricks, or do you want to look at Stretchman?
Sparkle.
Let's check out Sparkle Bricks. Oh god, we have to make food!
Oh, damn it.
Oh, wait, is that what we're doing?
Those look,
I thought we were making
those look like
takoyaki.
stacks of cash.
This looks like Surgeon
You have
Simulator.
to distribute the money to the cat.
Wait until you get to this instruction image!
No, that's not your cut. You're
Wait.
supposed to put the rest in the bank.
Oh my god, yeah, no, is this embezzlement? Is this...
Now go to my dealer. Go meet my dealer. Go score some nip. It is money.
Oh, no, go,
It's,
put the
it
hand
is
down.
money, isn't it? It's like cat dollars.
How do I get the money, though? Was there a button I'm messing up? Ah! Ah! Okay, it's not working. Go, grab the dash. Grab the dash, yo. Grab the dash. No. Oh god, what button was it that I'm fucking
There's
up?
only two
I'm
buttons.
not-
There's A, there is
I
B,
know.
there is A and B.
I think I'm messing up my positioning somehow.
We're trying to steal stacks of money from cats.
I am trying all the buttons. Violently. Oh, there. I got a grab finally.
Oh, is it motion
wasn't
controlled?
No, I think it's just I have to hold it for an extended period of time.
I think you have to
maybe.
not have your arm out when the cat jumps on you.
Yeah, there's that, and also I have to play keep away with the cats looking at me.
Wow, that was an,
Yeah,
that was
this
an
is
incredibly
how-
poor display of
this is a-
stealing our money.
Yeah, this is actually independent worker simulator. Oh, I get it. Okay, I need to keep my arm back and wait, and when the money bag goes red. There, got it. Nice. Oh. Jin, take it. Yeah. Get greedy. Getting greedy. You have to hold down A and then also swing the
Alright,
Wiimote.
so you need
I'll wait for
combos.
this. There we go. Get in there. Oh, no. Ooh, that was a close one. Here we go. Yeah. Grab that dash. Oh, Bill. Didn't see shit. Whoop, getting greedy.
That's a lot of cat yen.
I don't know what kind of money this is, but
There's
I'm
this
taking all
cat's
of it.
on it, so I assume it's only good at.
Ah! You lose a little bit of money if you get slapped. Whew.
Wait.
How much money did I need?
Only like
for cat
100,000.
bucks?
You got it.
Damn, dude, I'm making bank.
A million yen is not a lot of. 34,000 yen.
Yo, I'm not stealing from my own cat. That ain't my fucking cat. This is my boss cat. I got a gold on stealing from cats. Alright, good. That means I'm ready for the LP on cat thievery. Alright, let's
Can we
see
do an LP of this?
about this. I actually, like, I always talk about I want to do LPs and stuff, but this is like a must, honestly. Like, this is just, depending on how long it is, this is beyond incredible. Alright, what do I have to do now? Oh, what?
I don't know.
Huh? Rave sticks? What? What? Calisthenics?
It looked like stretching, so that means we need to contort our body in impossible ways.
Oh my god, am I doing... Oh my god, I'm supposed to be doing these moves. Oh no, I can't do these hot moves. Oh god. Whoa. Matching these hot takes as much as I can. Oh man, that move was fire. Oh.
So...
Yes, what?
I don't
What, you
know.
shit?
I don't... I have nothing.
Acha.
So you're doing this in real life, right?
No? Maybe. I mean, I'm just saying if I was, it'd be pretty sweet.
I doubt that the Wiimote can detect these kinds of motions.
No, not these complex. It can mostly just detect that there was
Some motion.
an amount of motion and kind of like what speed, probably. Not that that changes that I'm fucking doing these moves. Hell yeah.
God, these bees, get them away from me, ah! Yeah! Oh, I thought that was... Yeah!
I have to end this with a team unite up, like there's no choice. Oh, I'm not doing the hops, but well, okay, I'm kind of doing the hops in a chair. Chair hops. That's as I can. Oh man, this is hella active. Yeah. Yeah, get that stretch. Stretch deep. Dude, this cat is gonna be pleased as fucking punch.
I wonder if does another cat show up with each set of games?
No, I think these are all still the
Just
same
have
cat.
an office full of cats. And 3 humans. Trying to make their way in the cat-owned blog industry. Which is growing.
Unite up. Alright. Cat game. We are great at cat blogging. We are super good at cat blogging. What? Alright, we'll drop a save. And then I'm gonna start